What's going on, guys? It's Mr. Bush here, aka Alan. It's been a minute, been a very long minute since I've been on here. Reasons why, sum that up real quick so I can get on to what this is. And obviously, as you guys seen that I was in Florida for 2 weeks. Got back from that. Let me slow down. I'm just really excited. I'm really want to open this box. And by this box, you can probably tell what it is. By the way, I'm thinking about changing my name to Mr. Talk Too Effing Much. So, just kidding. So, yeah. I was out in Florida for 2 weeks for the Dirt Nationals, obviously. Was down there. We go to the track from like 9 to 11 at night before we got back to the hotel. So there really wasn't much I could record. I recorded as much as I could. So then I got back and I just kind of catching up with, you know, the week that sorry, catching up on the school that I missed because we missed the whole first week of the session on that. Yeah, while we're gone. This vent's really hot. I'm gonna close this. Just kidding, I can't. So that's why there's been a lack of videos. But I got this video today because, as you can see, I have something very, very special right here. I started opening it. I haven't even looked at anything yet. I was like, you know what? I need to make a YouTube video. So I'm gonna. It is open, but I haven't really looked inside yet. So, I mean, as you guys can tell what that says, we're going there. So, let's open her up. Huh? Oh yeah, it's the turbo system right there. Right there. So we got 1 flat, 2 flat, 3 flat, 4 flat. Boom. That's what my 2-step sounds like. This is what no roof sounds like. Ah! That's what 2. All right. Yeet. Oh, ho, ho. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Where's the opener? Oh my god, it's so nice and clean. Holy hell. Oh my god. This was not an eBay K04 either. This is a legit K04 from Borg Warner. Bruh. Luckily the other turbo I have has the oil fittings here. Batteries in on it. They really put these caps on here, don't they? Oh. Absolutely no play. That's what I like to see. Put that back on there so nothing gets in it. As a lot of you know, I do have the other K04 that I bought used. I just decided to go new because, well, for the price I was going to pay to actually rebuild that one properly with a new center section, new seals, journal bearings and stuff like that. I was like, you know what, I'm just going to spend a couple extra $100 and just buy me a brand new one. Oh, it's so pretty. I have paper metal shavings, so that's kind of, oh well, that's fine. It's all fine. Yes. This is what's going in the Audi. Oh, what? What you want? Oh yeah. I gotta be back in another video about something else if you get what I'm saying. So yes, this is the K04. Set this down easily. I gotta lay it down. Now I didn't just buy a K04 obviously because I can't just throw a K04 in my car. As a lot of you know that my car is tuned. It has a stage 2 tune from Boost Dynamic Tunings, peaking about 21 pounds of boost, usually around 18. And a lot of you that know K03s, that's not safe. And it's not because I blew turbo seals. So that's what this one's for. This was going in. So I also ordered, which hopefully it's in here because I haven't looked in here yet. And if it's not in here, this is going to be very awkward. Oh, there they are. Oh yeah, I forgot they sent me the installation kit, that's why. So, as you can see, I'll get one out here. I was really confused, there was like bolts and bags and stuff, but I forgot this came with the installation kit. Like all the new like manifold gaskets and exhaust gaskets. As you can see, you should know what that is. These are Bosch 550cc injectors. You can't plug these right in. They do come with the harness, as you can see, for them to work. This is from ECS Tuning, by the way. So, to be honest with you, I've never bought injectors before. I'm just gonna take this off. You know what? We're just gonna leave these caps on. But yes, these are Bosch 550cc injectors. I had a couple different people tell me different injector sizes to get. So I called the guy that tuned my car, and he told me to get 550s, and I'm going to retune, obviously. Luckily, he's only going to charge me $150 for a retune, so I'm not complaining there. This kit does, what's this? Advice for fitting the turbocharger. Oh, really? Yeah. Basically means, if you're an idiot, don't put this on. I'm partly that, so we're going to see how this goes. As you can see, it's got like this installation kit comes with like the new O-rings, the gaskets. What are these for? These are probably for the oil fitting. Yeah, oil line gaskets. All sweet. It comes with new studs. Good. Comes with new studs. I'm assuming this is where it mounts on the top. Yep, mounting bolts. I don't really know what these little ones are for. Sealing washers. Don't know where those go. Figure it out. Yeah, that's really everything in here that I got. What's this? Oh, that's the actual. Oh, this is the exhaust gasket, the big boy. That seems really big. I ain't gonna lie, that seems really big. This seems really big. I don't know if this is the right size. Hold, please. I did replace this last time I got my cat deleted because they didn't they reused the gasket, and obviously it broke because it was an old gasket. Oh nope, it's our gasket. All right, we're Gucci. We are good. Freaked out there a little bit. This is not going on anytime soon because with me being in class, I don't know if something's going to go wrong. Hopefully everything goes smooth installing this. Anyways, hopefully everything goes smooth installing this. I'm going to be waiting till when I'm on spring break. That way, if something goes wrong and I don't have to worry about having to get to the alignment and stuff. So this is everything. It's been a lot of money. Not too bad though. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that K04 yet. I'm probably just gonna sell it. Yeah. So again, be honest with you guys, this is the first time I've ever bought a turbo, besides the used K04 injectors and stuff like that. I'm kind of new to all this. Like I said before, we're just gonna take our time and do it. I might make a video about it. So I think my dad's home, so I'm gonna wrap this up real quick. Yeah, that's it. So I will see you guys here in a little bit, and I'll see if you're new to the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.
Slick from the past on the floor, tell a bitch steady, go ahead and break it down low. Thoughts fast moving like they on speed dial, and I tell you that I wanna take your clothes off slow. Bad bitch, look articulated. Said you coming fast, but you never made it. Said move.